All right.
I'm looking down.
So which? Oh, it's that one.
Yeah, far.
Yeah, now I see why we need a man lift.
Hop on?
No.
Why not? Sure, that thing would break as you guys take it out, man.
That's safety glass like a
This thing wobbles like a motherfucker when it's running.
Yeah, I know. We were in here that day, and I was like, I couldn't do that all day, man. I bet you get used to it. But
Yeah, you do, because I didn't notice it until you said something, and I was thinking about it later. Like, fuck, I gotta get out of my head.
there you go.
Down, Diggs.
Yes, sir.
This. You're like, motherfucker, you make it. I was trying to get my head fucking right. I kept getting my time hooked on the fucking cord.
I was looking at that thing earlier, like, yep, that's gonna be in the way.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Yeah, they were using
Big sneeze.
ain't kind of hard work,
Cut out the sack. There you go. You got her. I say, Sonny got your back end.
Good thing too.
Push my hand over my asshole.
Woohoo!
It's rubber.
You gotta go all the way over to the left and then come in because they got this bracket thing. Keep going, there you go. Find the hole.
Get this side over on the track. Yeah, that's a.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Unless it goes out. If it goes out, we got a whole nother problem.
Yep. Work up to that top. There you go. Send her on over.
I'm gonna switch me spots. This shit ain't gonna go nowhere.
Try to work at bottom first. I don't know if that's gonna pan out.
You throw him up your dick. I'm liable to punch you right in your pecker.
He's a pecker puncher.
Better be a pecker puncher than a pecker puffer.
I was searching for another P word.
How'd you, Bob?
I just couldn't come up with another P word.
Well, while you're down there, I reckon.
I'm thinking not, brother.
Come on, Bob.
Yeah, there it was. You need some spray, Bob? I don't know where it went, but there's some WD right there.
Yeah, I brought it.
Oh, yeah. We like her shy.
Somebody want to grab some Yuri thing?
Yeah, Bob's grabbing it, wasn't he?
No, he said something like that.
Oh, I thought he went to go grab some.
No, he probably did.
I'm sure we can catch him before he comes back. He's just a holler away.
Yeah, he's grabbing some.
So I got that clear. I got that clear shit. You want to use it?